this is Jesus Manuel Mena Garza. Hope you're doing absolutely fantastic wherever you're at. Today we're going to be doing a quick unboxing. I'm just going to show the box and then I'm going to show it open, the refrigerator. I just recently purchased an Artic King, and it's a 57 pound and a half in this box, 3.2 cubic foot refrigerator freezer, and it's a stainless steel sort of look. Okay, so this is the box. Let me just turn it around a couple times. Here's the other side of the box. Wow. And finally, the other side of the box. It arrived this morning, has a little bit of a divot right here, but it's pretty nice. Again, it's an Artic King. Why did I buy a small refrigerator? Well, essentially my $3,000 Samsung refrigerator is on its last legs. I just called the Samsung service center, and they said essentially it's going to cost about $1,500 to fix my refrigerator. That's after a few years back I had it fixed again, and it cost me hundreds of dollars then. So I'm going to probably take it to the dump, even though it's only about 4 years old and it's a $3,000 refrigerator freezer. So this is going to replace it. As you can see over here, I have various boxes. I'm in the process of packing. In about a year and a half from now, maybe maximum 2 years from now, we'll be moving from Fort Worth, Texas, back to California. Beautiful California. We're leaving the great state of Texas for the even greater state of California. So this should do us for a while. I plan to just place it under one of these countertops. I have these kitchen counter, and right there's a little area. This will fit perfectly under it. I'm going to keep this refrigerator, freezer. It doesn't do a very good job. Keeps things cool around 50 degrees. My Samsung, again, probably the worst, absolute worst appliance investment I ever made. In the future, I'm going to buy my next refrigerator. My next big refrigerator is going to, be something simpler, more to the point. This one has too many. The ice maker went out, this went out, the door went out, this light went out, the compressor went out, all these things went out. But after, they said, hey, this is going to cost you about $700 in labor, plus the parts, and plus this, it comes up to around $1,500. You want to do that? I said, I'll think about it. I'll think about it. So would you fix your Samsung $2,800 refrigerator and spend, over the last few years, $2,000 to fix it all the time? I don't think so. So this should be to the point, simple, and if it causes me any issues, it's under $200. Again, it's under $200, small. I'm gonna get my next refrigerator is probably gonna be just a one door, maybe two door, one door for the refrigerator, one door for the freezer, and I'll put, ice cube, the trays in there and freeze the ice. This one has an ice maker. Piece of garbage. Absolute piece of garbage. Samsung, piece of garbage. Ice maker. The worst investment I've ever made on an appliance in my, 72 plus years of existence. Again, caca. So this is the box. One more time. Here's the side. Fantastic. And here's the side, the original side I showed you. I'll put a little side profile. What do you think? Let's open it up. So this is the refrigerator unpacked. You got this microscopic. This is the tiniest. It's about 3/4 inch by 3/4 inch ice cubes. Look at palm size. I showed this to my wife, she laughed. You got this ice scraper. Apparently there's going to be some frosting. You got a user manual, very nice user manual. I like it, and it's in multiple languages. And it says you can move the door from here to there in case you want to have it a different way. And then you got the product registration information right here. Step 1, step 2, and has a QR code and stuff. Let me move this to the side. Especially this absolutely fabulous ice cube tray. This is funny. It's actually hilarious. So let me turn this thing around. I got a little bit of tape here still. I took all the tape off, etc., etc. So let me turn this around. This is side right. This is the back. It has this material here, and it has all the components down here, including the compressor, which is very nice. And you can have easy access. It has a piece of tape here, which holds, hey, I forgot this one. Get this out. There it goes. This has the plug. Very nice. Look at that. Very nice looking plug. So it comes in this little tray right here, which is firmly attached atop the compressor. Very nice. Then you got the other side. Let me turn it around. Give you the full tour, the deluxe tour. Again, black. Nice little sort of stainless steel. This actually looks like paint. So there we are. Let's open it up. This is the top. It has a little fridge area. What do you think? And the bottom has the beverage. You can put 6 beverages, put some items here. Apparently you can put a 2-liter soda right there. This information I took off, and it says important, call USA or Canada, do not return to the store. They don't want you to return this to the store, so they have some information right here about the product. And the Energy Star rating is somewhere in the middle, from 27 to 55. This one is, let me see, 38, which ain't bad. So it's a little bit better than average. It has this vegetable crisper here. Comes out like that. Glass shelf number 1, glass shelf number 2. Controls here for the fridge. Goes from max to minimum to off. And this is actuated by the door. And this is your freezer area. In the freezer area, you have this little area here where you can put some odds and ends. What do you think? Very nice. I like it quite a bit. Again, this is 1/15 the cost of my piece of crap Samsung refrigerator. Again, 1/15. You can buy 15 of these for the price of my Samsung piece of crap that's always causing me problems. Problem after problem. You gotta fix this. You gotta fix that. Wow, it costs this much for labor. This costs $800 for labor. Blah, 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 blah. What can I say? I like the idea of simplicity. I've learned my lesson. No longer am I gonna buy a Samsung refrigerator, freezer, you know, those fancy looking refrigerators you see at the various Best Buys, Lowe's, and, you know, Home Depot. Yes, Home Depot. You don't want to go buy a Samsung. So let me close this up. Very nice. And the magnets seem pretty good. Should last pretty good. Wow, it's pretty solid. I like it. And again, it says here 3.2 cubic feet, 89.5 liters, rated voltage 115, rated frequency 60 hertz, rated current 0.85 amps, rated power 88 watts, lamp rated power maximum 15, refrigerant, yes, high side, low side, blah, blah, blah. And it's made in Thailand. Wow, I love Thailand. I wish I could go there right now. Thanks for watching my video. This has been Jesus Manuel Mena Garza. I'm no longer ever going to buy a Samsung refrigerator. There's no reason to buy a Samsung refrigerator, freezer. They're the worst. I hate them. I wish I could get my money back. I wish I never went into, you know, Home Depot and bought that Samsung refrigerator. Bad, bad Jesus. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and leave your kind and friendly comments below. This has been Jesus Manuel Mena Garza. Very happy to have this small refrigerator for the next year and a half, and maybe 2 years. I'll store some stuff. I won't be buying a full cart of groceries in the near future, just saying, because this thing is pretty small, 3.2 cubic feet. That's not much. So, hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any kind and friendly comments, leave them below. Again, this is the Artic King, model number ARM32D5ASL refrigerator, freezer with 2 doors. Not just one, 2 doors. Thanks for watching. Gracias. Adios. Bye-bye.